Hello everyone, if you're thinking about getting a new phone for your elders, take a look here. Vivo has released a new model, the Y50 series. I have the gold one with 6 plus 128. Let me show you.
Mobile phone.
Phone case, a charger set. Charging speed is 44 watts, which is okay, completely sufficient for elders. SIM card ejector.
Let's turn it on and take a look. Platinum color, huh? The color is really nice.
It has a cloud-like gradient with many fine sparkles, which should be very suitable for moms and the color they would like.
This is not the flash. This is the flash. And this is the breathing light. It will flash when a message comes. Then the rear has a 30 million main camera, 2 cameras. The frame has a diamond pattern design, which looks much more refined. Side fingerprint.
Top speaker, Type-C charger, 3.5mm with a separate headphone jack.
A 6,000 milliamp battery, this thickness is still acceptable.
Let's look at the specs. Dimensity 6000 single 8-core processor, watching videos and using WeChat are completely fine. The 6,000 mAh battery life is quite good because the Dimensity chip itself is a bit more power efficient than Snapdragon, so the battery life should be quite decent. It has the Orange 5 system, but because it's a water drop screen, it doesn't have the atomic guide function.
The side card slot supports dual SIM and dual 5G, and the volume can be turned up to 150%. Elder friendly.
The entire device has drop protection certification and is water resistant for everyday use, so if it falls into water and is picked up immediately, it should be fine.
If you had a budget of 1,000, would you choose this latest Vivo Y50 for an elder? Why this up? How much in package?